I'll teach you everything you need to know about numbers in 5 minutes. There are many data types we use in Roblox, and actually we've sort of already used one of them, and you probably don't even know what a data type is. Data type is basically just a kind of value. For example, when we looked at the parts properties, some of the properties were numbers, like the transparency, some were text, like the name, some were colors. Those are all data types. It's just a classification of values. In this video, we'll take a closer look at one of those, numbers. If we write a number, obviously that's a number. I just want to show you some more examples of everything to make sure that it's clear. If we take two numbers, like 21 plus 17, this will boil down to a number. So I guess this counts as a number 2. Not a number 2, but a number also. I'm just going to put this print statement here so we don't get the little error. Everything I'm going to show you in this video is going to result in a number. Even if we do something crazy like 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7, it doesn't matter. We can do this as much as we want. All the crazy math divided by 2 times 7, it doesn't matter. It will be a number. I just want to be really clear on everything. Even if we write this giant thing, it's still a number, even though it's a little wild, I admit, but it's still a number. Even if we write 3.14159, that is a number, even though it has a little decimal, it's still a number. And yeah, I stopped at 9 because I only know up to 9. Okay, I did my best. What comes after 9? I don't know. Maybe like 6, 2, maybe like 2. I don't know. I did my best. And let's play a game. Let's play Is This a Number? Even though it's negative. Yeah, it's still a number. If it looks number-esque, it probably is a number. And numbers are used for calculations and properties. Like I told you before, transparency is a great example that uses a number. So it'll be clear on this data type, and all this stuff that I showed you boils down to numbers. So if you ever need a number, you can use any of the stuff. You could do like math for a number. You can make it negative. You can do decimal. All this stuff counts as numbers, so don't be scared of it.